What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Mr. G.D.I.Y. back with another video, man. You see what's going on today. We got the garage door up behind me, so we got to be doing some kind of work. But I'm gonna show y'all what we doing today. This should be a little surprise. This is a little surprise to some folks. So yeah, here we go. Got the hood mashed off, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna do a little paint to the hood today. This is the G.D.I.Y style for real. As some of you know, not everybody, you know that I painted this car a couple years ago. Painted it white, but you know, today we just gonna paint the hood. Thought about painting the hood white, but nah, we ain't gonna do that because everybody got white, so I'm gonna just do it black. I'm gonna put a hot rod black on it. But before we paint, we gotta prep the surface with the 7800 wipeout surface prep from High Tech. I'm gonna prep the surface with that, you know. Then we'll go primer. So y'all just hold on, I gotta get all my stuff together, but let's get it. So yeah, I already wiped the surface down with the surface prep. I'm just going over one more time with the microfiber cloth to just make sure there's not any dirt, grease, or anything like that left on it. I want everything to be clean when I get ready to lay this primer down. Yes sir. Hold on, I'm gonna cut y'all back on in a second. Yeah, what's going on YouTube? My bad. I meant to show y'all, man. I trying to hurry up. I got a certain time I'm trying to do this, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to be quick, but you know what I'm saying, I'm trying to be precise. But I'm gonna show y'all we got the first coat of epoxy prime on here. It's just a gray, you know what I'm saying? I ain't no professional painter, y'all, but I do a little something, you hear me? I'm gonna put on, I'm probably drop me 2 coats of prime on here. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna drop 2 coats and then hit it with the black. But yeah, Mr. G.D.I.Y, I've been doing it now. I've been doing this. I wish I would have recorded and put it on YouTube in the beginning, but yeah, I've been you know, doing my little thing on my project, so y'all getting it later. But anyway, I'm gonna hit it with this epoxy primer. I'm gonna let this sit. I'm gonna clean up a little bit in my area, and then I'm gonna hit it with another coat. I'm gonna try to get y'all with that one so y'all can see me land the last coat of primer. So I'm gonna cut y'all back on in a minute. Alright, so yeah, YouTube, we back. It's the first coat. I know it look a little crazy to y'all on here, but it laid good for the first coat. First coat of black. You feel me? Gonna be out here looking like a ZL1 out this motherfucker, you hear me? Alright, one coat. We got one coat. We're gonna lay the other coat in a second, and we'll be good, man. Lay that other coat in a second. We're gonna be good. We're gonna be gravy, man. Like I say, man, you just gotta get out here and do it, man. Work on your own stuff sometimes. You know, ain't nothing wrong with trying stuff and messing it up. At least, you know what I'm saying, you'll get the experience. But a lot of people just scared to try, so they're just sitting their stuff out. But me, I'm trying it all. You hear me? I'm doing it all. So by the time, you know what I'm saying, I ain't gotta wait 4, 5, 6 a year to get my car done. Mine's already be done, you feel me? But yeah, we're gonna let this coat dry. I'm gonna put one more coat on there, and we're gonna be good. Alright, cut y'all on in a minute. YouTube, we back. Let y'all see the last coat. It's the last coat right here. Still wet. It's pretty much a matte black. It's gonna be a matte finish. Yeah, I'm gonna let this dry, and I'm gonna do this other little part, paint that a little bit, but y'all don't need to see all that. That ain't nothing. This is the major part right here. I just want to let y'all see that. You know what I'm saying? Hey, man. Don't be afraid to try stuff, man. Don't be afraid to try stuff. You know what I'm saying? Don't be afraid to do it yourself. Don't be afraid, dog. Just get out there and try it, man. But anyway, sometimes them shops get backed up. You don't know where to start. It's your boy, Mr. G.D.I.Y. Yes, sir. And we out. Let's go.